Oh, hold on. What up? Just wanted to tell you guys about how much I hate high school. Thought it'd be kind of cool, you know? I hate high school, but I love all the parties. I'm finishing kegs and crushing bottles of Bacardi. I'm king of the class, yeah, I'm dating the hottie. She's walking around and getting to call me shawty. I hate high school, but I love getting laid. Sitting back, drinking beers, this May. Partying with me is like partying with T-Pain. Getting girls crazy and finishing champagne. Just cause I'm single doesn't mean I'm looking for you. It just means I'm free to show you. I forgot of school in the morning, but fuck it, it's already 2 in the morning. My eyes are so bloodshot, but that's only cause she knows that spot in school said I need to start shaving. But that's too bad cause I'm too busy blazing. I hate high school, but I'ma stay anyway. Smoking every day, the same way South knows, but I'ma go anyways. Hate South with the love, coming in baked, let alone being late. Girls looking at me with a 5-star rate. Walking down the halls, I'm never by myself. They say I'm here for my Commonwealth, but I'm going to the Marines, I just signed myself. Teachers say I'm 18 and I need to get it straight, but I'm an adult and it's too late. Being here, partying here, it's my passion. Girls love coming in cause they love my fashion. Look at me dressed with a nice gold chain. Everybody knows me cause my rap name. If you hear us jamming, that's probably my place. And if you want the schedule, then look at my space. Forgot of class cause I'm an all-star. Girls love coming in cause I make all parts. No one goes to, I support teams. So they all want my place being big fiends. I'm the new king of the school, the big team.